Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you that how can we remove application page footer and add custom page footer in Oracle Apex. So first we create a sample application. Create application. Our sample application is created. We want to remove this default page footer and add our custom page footer. For this, we go to share component. From template option, we want to create another page template. Copy. From template body option, we need to remove this section. Now we see from page properties, page template option, select our new created page template, copy of standard page. Now you can see the default page footer is removed. Now we want to add our custom template. From share component, page template, select copy of standard page. Header section, footer section. From footer section, we need to add now we see that what happened. For this way we can easily remove application default page footer and add customized footer in Oracle Apex. Thank you everybody for watching this video.